Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. I have a doozy for you today. You ever notice around your sink you have these watermarks right around in here? Yes, mineral deposits. You can't seem to get it up with regular scrubbing. I have the best tips and tricks for you. We're here today at my mom's house. She has sold her house. We have sold our house, and I have almost no cleaning supplies available to me. So we're getting creative. We could use vinegar. We could use baking soda, the usual suspects, but that would be boring, right? Okay, so this is what we're gonna do today because this is what I had laying around. Aspirin. I'll tell you why aspirin works in just a second. I have 2 left in here. I need to get rid of this anyway. I have some salt, and then I had some dryer sheets laying around. By the way, I'm going to use the back of this to break up a few of these aspirin right here. These are all the things that I had in my house, and we're going to get this up super quick so it looks like new for the new home owners. Are you excited? By the way, if you hear this clock in the background, that is my mom's. Mom, I don't know how you sleep with that clock dinging by your ear while you sleep, but that's beside the point. First things first, we're gonna break up these aspirin. That was really easy, by the way. We got a very own little pharmacy. All right, so we're gonna sprinkle this aspirin around our stains right around here, and I'm gonna let that sit for just a hot second. I don't know, maybe like 10 minutes. I'm not that patient of a human being. That's why I love a good cleaning hack, but I'm gonna let this sit, and then if you know in the comments box why aspirin works so well for stuff like this, enlighten everybody before I share it here. So get that down around here, and then we're gonna add our next step. Looking good. That was probably about 5 or 6 minutes because the sink was a little bit wet already. It made this nice paste right here. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little salt right in here. Just regular old salt that you have in your kitchen. We're gonna be pretty generous on that one. You're gonna impress your friends and family with these tricks right here. And then I'm just gonna take a dryer sheet. A dryer sheet is amazing because it has fabric softener on there. I do recommend wearing a glove, but because everything in my house is pretty much packed, I'm living in a box, I don't have them, but I do recommend it. So this is what you're gonna do. Take your dryer sheet, and then you're just gonna take and get on in there, and you are gonna watch these stains disappear right before your eyes. All right, while I do this, you're gonna, depending on how bad your stains are, put just a little bit of elbow grease. Can you see them going away already? Yes, let's, like right here, let's focus right here so you can see a transformation. Why the aspirin? The aspirin is acidic, much like vinegar. And then why the salt? The salt is coarse, so it gives a little bit abrasiveness when you're trying to lift grime and grease and tough mineral deposits, such as these right here. And why the dryer sheet? Well, it's fabric softener, so it helps loosen everything up. And then the texture of the dryer sheet is pretty amazing. This works awesome if you're trying to get, let's say, bugs off of your headlights. You can see these are tough stains in there, my friend. Yes. Getting on in there. I should have probably let the aspirin sit a little bit longer, but I told you I'm impatient and I want things done quickly. Look at that. It's going away. It's going away. All right, I'm gonna let that sit for just a little bit longer and we'll come back. Okay, that was literally like 2 minutes over here. All right, just do a little bit more in here. Yes. Look at that. Let's do a little rinsing here, just so we can get a better before and after. I didn't do any here on the right side so that you can see. Get on in here. Okay. Do you see? It's even better, and I hardly did anything. This side looks like brand new. Right over here, I did nothing. I did nothing yet. I haven't even touched it with the dryer sheet. Now, if you want to give a little more elbow grease, what I would suggest doing is tucking in this into the dryer sheet, and then you can use a little bit more pressure when you are cleaning those hard water stains right there. Amazing! All right, click this video on screen now, which is what happens when you put a dryer sheet over your shower. This is another amazing hack. Give this video a thumbs up, sign up for the weekly newsletter, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.